students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free.
So next question is the rule that helps us to determine the direction of a magnetic field around a current carrying straight conductor. Our options are right hand thumb rule, second option is Fleming's right hand rule, then law of magnetic pole and Fleming's left hand rule. So the correct answer is right hand thumb rule. Why? So see, if this is our straight conductor in which current is going in this direction. So what we'll do, we'll use our right hand thumb rule. According to this rule, we will hold this current carrying conductor in our hand like this in such a way that our thumb is pointing in the direction of current. In such a way that thumb is pointing in the direction of current, then our fingers, our rotating finger will give us the direction of magnetic field. So see, we are holding this like this. Why not like this? Because we are supposed to put our thumb in the direction of current. So we'll put like this. Correct? So now our finger is in the direction of current. We are holding this wire like this. So our hand is showing that magnetic field in this will be like, it will be like something like this. Okay? Now if we let's try to understand it again. Let's suppose this is our conductor and and current is going in this direction. So we'll hold this conductor like this. So the direction of magnetic field is like is in the same direction in which my fingers are wrapped around this conductor. It's like anti-clockwise direction. So magnetic field will be like in this direction.
I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.